So welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix stranded inventory Amazon FBA. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now for you to fix this issue, we need to visit a few things first before taking other actions to actually fix this one. So first, access your seller central account and navigate to inventory, manage inventory, and inventory dashboard. Now from then on, select the option says fix stranded inventory. Now here you'll find a list of all these stranded ASINs along with details on why they are stranded and when it actually occurred. Now for instance, a listing may be marked as stranded due to listing error or suspension. Now once you've identified which listing have inactive offers, you can proceed with the next steps. So first, to address this issue, Amazon has actually introduced an advanced feature that enables you to automatically resolve or remove them. If your listing error cause you offer to be deactivated or the recommended solution is to relist it, head to the Fix Stranded Inventory page in your seller account. Click on the Edit Automatic Action Settings button, which will prompt a dialog box to appear on your screen. Now here you can specify the number of days ranging from 1 to 30 Amazon has to automatically release or relist your inventory. Now, for expired products or inventory associated with deleted listings such as discontinued or obsolete items, you can create a removal order using your seller central account by submitting a removal order. You authorize Amazon to return these products to you. Now if you have encountered Amazon's temporary removal fee waivers, often offered in the third quarter in anticipation of the holiday sales season. Now, however, it's essential to exercise caution with these offers as the drawbacks may be outweigh your benefits. Now, while removal fee waiver can reduce holding costs, it may restrict your ability to replenish stocks for that SKU on Amazon for several months. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.